Hey Superfit Gang! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's on everyone's mind: burning belly fat with apple cider vinegar. But first, let me ask you something. Are you tired of that stubborn belly fat that just won't go away no matter how hard you try? Do you feel frustrated with fad diets and endless crunches that don't seem to work? If this sounds like you, then stick around because today we're exploring an exciting and natural way to help burn that belly fat. And yes, it involves apple cider vinegar. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with all our health tips and tricks. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. Okay, so let's get into it. You might be wondering, how does apple cider vinegar help with belly fat? Is it just another health myth? Or is there actual science behind it? Well, I've got some interesting research to share with you. In a recent study published in BMJ Nutrition, Prevention, and Health, Lebanese teenagers and young adults who consumed up to 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar daily for 12 weeks experienced impressive results. Conducted by researchers at Holy Spirit University of Kislik, the study involved 120 participants aged 12 to 25. Those who drank 5, 10, or 15 milliliters ml of apple cider vinegar daily showed significant weight loss, with the 15 milliliters group averaging a drop from 173 to 155 pounds. Additionally, participants saw improvements in blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, highlighting apple cider vinegar's potential benefits for weight loss and overall health. But always remember, ACV or apple cider vinegar is not for everyone. There are people with certain medical conditions who should not use this, or should consult their doctors before using it. We will mention such medical conditions in the second half of this video, so make sure you watch it till the end and do not skip it. First, let's talk about why belly fat can be so stubborn. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is not just a problem for your appearance. It can also be linked to several health issues like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. So it's not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and staying healthy. Here's where apple cider vinegar comes into play. This magical elixir is known for its various health benefits, including weight loss and improved digestion. But how exactly does it help with belly fat? Research shows that apple cider vinegar can help with weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness, which means you eat fewer calories. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin spikes, which are often linked to increased belly fat. But remember, apple cider vinegar isn't a magic potion. For the best results, it should be combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. So here's a simple way to incorporate it into your daily routine. Here's a quick and easy recipe for a daily apple cider vinegar drink. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, mix it with a glass of water, and add a teaspoon of honey for taste. Drink this 20 minutes before meals to help with digestion and curb those hunger pangs. Now you might be wondering about the taste. Yes, it's a bit tangy, but trust me, it's worth it. And if you find it too strong, start with a smaller amount and gradually increase it as you get used to the taste. It's important to note that while apple cider vinegar can be beneficial for many people in managing weight and overall health, there are certain individuals who should exercise caution or avoid it altogether. 1. Digestive sensitivities. People with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues like acid reflux may find that apple cider vinegar exacerbates their symptoms, potentially causing discomfort or irritation. 2. Diabetes. Medication. Individuals taking diabetes medications should consult with their healthcare provider before using apple cider vinegar regularly. It can lower blood sugar levels, which may interact with medications and lead to hypoglycemia. 3. Dental health. Due to its acidity, prolonged or undiluted consumption of apple cider vinegar can erode tooth enamel. It's advisable to consume it diluted and rinse the mouth afterward. 4. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. There's limited research on the safety of apple cider vinegar during pregnancy and breastfeeding, so it's best to consult with a healthcare provider before using it. 5. Medication interactions. Apple cider vinegar may interact with certain medications, including diuretics and laxatives. Always check with a doctor or pharmacist before adding it to your routine. While apple cider vinegar can support weight loss efforts for many, It's essential to consider individual health conditions and consult with a healthcare provider if there are any concerns. Combining this with a balanced diet and regular exercise can amplify your results. Think of apple cider vinegar as a helpful boost rather than a sole solution. Remember, consistency is key. Give it some time, and you'll start noticing the changes. And always listen to your body. If you have any health concerns, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new regimen. So are you ready to give apple cider vinegar a try? Let me know in the comments below if you've used it before or if you're excited to start now. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on living a healthier, happier life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.